it's blocked up. It's someone else's bike. I don't want to get on it. Oh yeah, I was gonna say that's 5 minutes.
I guess in 4 or 5 years, the new generation's music will be it'll have a synthesis of those two elements. So the third thing, it'll be entirely, it'll be, it might rely heavily on
I've been meaning to do this video for a while, and I've just kind of been putting it off. But this cool company, this cool new company named Fumoto, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, Fumoto, made these really like kind of cool and convenient oil change valves. It works pretty much like a ball valve, except for your oil. Like, I already drained it too. I totally forgot I was making this video. So this is off, and you have to flip it up like a safety and flip it down, and now it's on, and now your old oil will just come pouring out. So instead of you having to replace your crush washer and everything like that, now you can consistently just kind of do, you know, an on-off ball valve type of thing, which is pretty nice. I like it. It's nice and convenient. So just lock it back in place when you're done draining your oil, like how I am, and get with everything else. Of course, you got to still do your oil filter, but this makes that part of the oil change that much easier. This will work for everything from 636s to Groms to F4Is. It fits it all. Basically, this is the same drain plug size. So I'm doing this giveaway. So as long as you guys leave a like, leave a comment saying done, and share one of my videos and subscribe, I'm gonna just pick somebody down in the comments that applies to all three, and go ahead and do it that way. So I'll ship it off to you guys. It's a new design, so they're a little bit they're still getting, you know, going, but so far after my testing, it's been good. I like it. It's convenient. So the link in the description for how you guys can get one of these, but they're pretty cheap, they're convenient, and they do their job. So all right, hope you guys have a good weekend.